G'day everyone, this is my grandson James. He's my steam mate, and this afternoon we're going to be opening up the box from Jin that arrived, that I won on the Officer Steam on the second global power up. My name came out of a hat, and Jin from Microcosm very kindly donated this engine for the person who got drawn out of the hat. So James, let's open it up and see what this engine's like. Be careful with that.
Yep.
It's sharp. Mum and Dad won't be too happy with grandfather if you cut yourself.
No.
So then you go along the sides,
Yep.
both sides. Yep. Yep, keep going, open it up. Jin packs these really well. How well is that packed? See the foam?
Pretty well.
Yeah, so you take the top one off. Oh, there's the engine. So I'll hold the box.
Yep.
And you pull it out, see if the engine will come up. You might have to pull all the foam out. Can you pull that out?
It packs it in pretty well.
Makes it really safe for postage because it's come a long way. Yeah, pull hard. Here we go, look. Pull in, you hold the box.
Yep.
How tight's it packed in? Safe as anything?
Yep.
There we go. So now, take that outer foam off. Oh, there we have it. Okay, look at this, everyone. This looks really, really nice. Underneath for the batteries. I think that's Jin's thing that he's made. I think you can put a cordless drill attachment in there and kickstart that there. Very nice engine.
There's a little
See that here, James?
Yep.
See that pump there?
Yep.
That pump
Yep.
will pump water through the engine to cool it down.
So it like cools it down.
Yeah, it's a bit different than the other ones that we've got from Jin, isn't it? Okay, everyone. I'll turn this off and I'll see if we can get this started. Okay, back soon. Now.
What's that little thing, Grandfather?
Well, I did say he's my little steam buddy, my steam mate. Turn that around. So Jin actually puts one of these in, so that turned it around a little bit more. So you know how I mentioned before about putting a cordless drill in there?
Yep.
That goes in the cordless drill. You put that in there, and then you spin it with the cordless drill.
Yes.
Yeah, so you don't have to use, you can start it with that rope,
Yep.
but you can use that to start it. Is that cool? Thanks for finding that in there. That was up in there. Alright, back again soon with some petrol. Okay, James, you unscrew that. And what's that saying you use to when you unscrew things?
Pardon?
That thing that you say, lefty loosey, is it, or something?
Lefty loosey, righty tighty.
What is it? Lefty loosey, righty tighty. That's how James remembers to unscrew things, which is pretty clever, I think. He's only 10. Alright, see that over there?
Yes.
Yep.
Yep.
Pour a bit of that in. Put it, yeah, stand it up. Yeah, all the way up. And you just squeeze it in.
That?
Yep. Just squeeze it. Yep. Just don't overflow it. Yep, that's a bit too much, but that's alright. Yep, put the cap on there.
Inside, I think.
Now put the brass cap screwed in. Won't be answering that. Okay, just got to grab, see up there, see that water bottle up there? I'll move it.
That one?
Yeah, just grab that water bottle.
The first one or second?
The second one.
Yep.
Yeah, just pour some water in there. Probably just up to where that strainer is.
Okay.
Yep. Oh, a bit too much, that's all right. Just shake that out a bit. Okay. So now, one hand, I'm going to turn that on. So you hold that camera now.
Yep.
Come around here. So aim the camera at them. Let's see. I think this will be the right way. This is in forward. Let's see if this starts. Whoop. Okay, g'day all, back again. Had some technical difficulties. In transit, that had come out a little bit. So I think I've got it, we've had it running for about 5 seconds and I turned it off. So I think we're good to go now. I've just put a thinner string on there because it's a bit hard to get that it's a bit hard to get that thicker cord. So I'll get James to come around here and you hold that, mate.
Yep.
Aim it out there. And we good to go, you reckon?
Yep.
What do you think of that? Pretty cool?
Yeah.
Whoop, stopped. Okay, we'll put that string back on. James,
Yep.
I've got it going.
Finally.
Oh, no, again. We've had it going heaps of times, everyone.
Only like that
But
one.
it keeps stopping. It only runs for about 20 seconds. But I will persevere tomorrow. It's 5:30 in the afternoon on Tuesday afternoon here, and James has got to go back home to get ready for dinner.
Yep.
And so say goodbye to everyone. See you, everyone. And Jen, thank you very much for donating this prize to the Officer Steam Forum. It's really appreciated. It's an absolutely beautiful engine. I think the error, well, I know the error is on my half, and I know that this is going to be running really nicely. So thanks for that. Bye for now.